अस्सलाम वालेकुम। 7th क्लास यूनिट मॉडर्न 1.2 और यूनिट नंबर 1। चूज़ द बेस्ट आंसर इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। व्हाट इज़ कटिंग एज एडजेक्टिव एंड अदर नेम फॉर barcode reader is price scanner. What is the full form of UPC, universal product code? A device that is used to read a unique pattern on fingertips. Fingerprinter reader. In case the word robot means work, the name of first robot is the Unimate. First robot was made by George Devil. General Motors bought the first robot in the year 1960. Fill in the blanks. The device that have the most modern and advanced features are known as cut-edge technology. Cutting edge is an adjective used to describe the newest and the most advanced versions of any product and services. A barcode reader is a handheld or stationary input device. Every barcode has a series of numbers known as universal product code. A barcode reader captures and transmits the barcode into the number letter. The skins of human fingertips contain readers and which patterns. Fingerprint reader is a device that recognizes fingerprints of them into a digital code. The robot is the keys words meaning work. Robots are controlled by a program stored in a chip. Many features are robots to do tools the hard work quickly and the mistake. Short question. Define cutting edge technology. In computer science, the devices that have some modern and advanced features are known as cutting edge technology. Give some examples of cutting edge technologies. Some examples of cutting edge technologies are barcode reader, fingerprinter, print reader, or robot. Write the full form of UPC. The full form of UPC is Universal Product Code. How made the Unimate? George Devil made the Unimates. In which year the Unimate was made? The Unimate was made in 1954. Question number 6. What is barcode? A barcode is a set of light and dark bark lines. These lines are of different wedge. Every barcode has a series of numbers known as universals. What are fingerprint? Fingerprint क्या है? The skin of human fingers. Tips contain varieties and which forms unique patterns. These patterns are called fingertips. जो भी हमारी टिप्स का पैटर्न होगा वो फिंगर टिप पैटर्न होगा. What is robot? Robot is keys words meaning working. George Devil made the first robot in 1954. Robots are controlled by a program stored in a chip. Many facilities use robots to do lots of hard work quickly and without any mistakes. रिबोट्स जो है वो उसमें एक चिप एंटर की जाएगी, स्टोर की जाएगी, जिससे जो भी काम उसे कहा जाएगा वो मिस्टेक के बगैर उस काम को सॉल्व करेगा जल्दी.